Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can use the filter function in Microsoft Excel. So what we have here is some dummy data where we've got some products and some prices for those products, and the product that I'm going to be searching for is Apple. So in order to use the filter function, what you have to do is to simply do equals and then filter. I'm then going to select my array, which will be my table here. And now for the include part of the function, I'm going to select column A, where I've got all my different product values, and I'm going to simply do equals Apple, which is in the G2 cell. I can now close that function off. So when I enter this, it should give me the Apple products and their prices. So as easy as that, we've now managed to filter our data that was within our table. So we've got all our Apple products and then the prices in regards to those apples. So yeah, this is very useful when you want to filter your data and yeah, apply some criteria essentially to a table and filter out the data you want to see. And yeah, something I'd highly recommend using. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.